cutest little candy gingerbread cupcakes, lollipop, fun-filled ornaments this year. How cute is this? I am super excited coming in and seeing all these fun pastel colors. This gingerbread diner. Look how cute this is. Oh my goodness, this is only $12.99. I love this. Tell me what you guys think. I love the themeness. Oh, this is so cute. It lights up, it says. You probably have to turn it on from the bottom. So this is $24.99. That is adorable. You can decorate these on the outside for $6.99. Put some trees for $4.99. A little reindeer. You can have this cute little theme on your mantle. These cute little gingerbread guys. This Merry Christmas sign. It's $30. Santa. They have these adorable angels. They are beautiful. Both of these beautiful. And this nutcracker is $14.99. Look how beautiful that is. Look at this house. It's a little pricey though, but look at it. It lights up. Little gingerbread guys. And the little girl in the back. Let's see if there's a price on these ones. Let's see a tag. Let me try to flip them underneath. $20. Those are pretty big for $20. This looks like a bag of sugar. And this wonderful nutcracker over here is $100 and it lights up. This big cutout and those gingerbreads for $120. Santa. More of the cookies. This light up house. $16.99. These are really fun. I'm just really loving this theme. This is so cute. I can't wait to come back for this. This is awesome. Baking supplies. This cute little mug. Fun presents. Let's see if we can get this to light up. So you can see it. The sign is $20. It's like this lights up, but you need batteries. Ballerinas and nutcrackers. Got your countdown for Christmas. So it's only $10. The wreaths for $25. Got another one of those big gingerbread houses. Smaller ones. These ones are only $25. Look how cute these are. They're really big too. This one looks like it's a train. Oh my goodness, how cute is this? This one's $30. This one's a little bigger for $40. And that one's $60. And we got the big one for $90. Some more little ones here. This cute one's only $10. That's adorable. Little sleigh. My gosh, I need to get this nutcracker. Look how cool he is. It's only $10. The trees, ballerinas. I love these nutcrackers. They are amazing. Love the fur. These ones are only $14.99. I think I'll go with the bigger one. And then this one's cool. He's got the little ones. This one's $35. Got Santa. Love him. How much is this? Oh, it's only $10. That's a great deal. More ornaments. This is like a pink theme. We got the reindeers. And we got the fun trees down here. More pink pastel-y ornaments. I don't know about him. He looks creepy. Sparkly, sparkly. Red and white. Traditional. We have the giant ones. Cute little cups of cocoa. This little cabin's cute, lights up for 10 bucks. Ornaments. Looks like a little carousel. Let's see if I can get it turned on. It doesn't have batteries in it. More of a different type of nutcrackers. Well, they're kind of statues. Pretty. Let's see if I see a button on here. Probably needs batteries. Santa passed out. This is pretty. I haven't seen this one this year. It looks like different. They added the bottom to it. And some pretty wreaths. Got some of the Christmas pillows. Look at this reindeer. He looks so realistic. 50 bucks. Some of the throws. That's a nice little pillow. Giant bell. That one's 24. This one's 39. Letters to Santa. I think this is so cute for your kids. These need batteries to light up. 10 bucks. Nice little boxes. I love the little farm. These are really fun.